Hello and welcome back to Walnut Lodge. We are doing some renovation work inside at the moment. Behind me is the old bathroom that we've been using for the last 2 years, and it's a mess. Hello and welcome back to Walnut Lodge. We are doing some renovation work inside at the moment. Behind me is the old bathroom that we've been using for the last 2 years, and it's a mess. Originally, there still is a loo in there, but there was a door in front of it, and it was really claustrophobic. So we've moved the door to the front here, and there was also another door here, separating the loo from the rest of the bathroom. You can see these glorious green tiles. We always had a problem in here with black mould. There was no ventilation, there's no natural light in here. So what we've done already is we've taken the ceiling down and we put another ceiling up, and we've put a skylight in there. So now we have plenty of natural light, and that's just eliminated the black mould problem. We've also put another door in the side here. So that we can section off the loo. We'll put some kind of wall here, and there's a door coming into the bathroom and a separate door coming into the loo, and they both got different doors. So this is where we are at the moment. We have just taken the cladding down from this oak beam, and we're in the process of looking at it thinking, oh my God, what the hell have we done? As we do with most problems. But we'll sit down and look at YouTube, and somebody will have some suggestions for it on YouTube. And now we've got to hide the cabling because when we put the plasterboard up, the cladding was unsoldered. We weren't going to do anything with it, but now we've done something with it. So I'll just put probably a strip of timber up there. So that's where we are at the moment. So I'm going to start by cleaning back these beams. I've just got a wire attachment to go on the drill. So that's my first job. I'm just trying to get back to the hard wood. I can see there's a lot of rot in here. Could be termite, I'm not sure, but we'll treat them anyway. I'm trying to get back to some hardwood, but it's coming up quite nice. I can hear, as opposed to that's solid, and that's not. So it's slowly starting to come up. I can hear by tapping where the bits are rotten, and where I've still got to work on it. I think it's just going to be a long process. So the beams have been cleaned up. They need sand, they need treatment, but that's about it for the moment. Looking a lot better. Now to clean the floor. What a mess. Right, I'm going to clean up now. Thanks very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.